Now we are going to see the graphical method of the simultaneous equation. I will explain you the question number 4 from the practice set 1.2. Might be they will ask you the question, solve the simultaneous equation graphically. If they say solve the simultaneous equation graphically, then only we are going to use this method. So here the two linear equations are given. First equation is what, 3x minus y is equals to 2, and second is what, 2x minus y is equals to 3. So now for what you need to do, first for the equation number 1 you have to need to make a 4 column table. So now here in the first column we are going to say the first column is for the x coordinate. Here all the x coordinate we are going to take. Second is for the x and y coordinate, and the third column is for the x and y coordinate. Whatever these two coordinates we will get, that coordinates we are going to write down here. Last year all of you know that when I say solve the simultaneous equation by the graph, so any one coordinate value we have to take according to आर ओन. मतलब हमें हमारे मन से कोई भी एक कोऑर्डिनेट्स के वैल्यूज लेने, एंड आई टोल्ड यू दैट वैल्यूज ऑलवेज यू हैव टू टेक इन बिटवीन द फ्रॉम 0 to 5. If you take more than 0 to 5, so then your calculation will be increased. Yeah, if you took the 2-digit number, yeah, decimal number, then also your calculation become the little bit tough. So here we are going to take the easiest value. So suppose here I am going to take the x coordinate value according to माई कन्वीनियंस. मतलब हमें हमारे कन्वीनियंस के साथ कोई भी एक वैल्यू लेनी, किसी एक वेरिएबल की वैल्यू लेनी. तो हियर वी आर गोइंग टू टेक द वैल्यू फॉर द x coordinate. तो सपोज हियर इन द फर्स्ट कॉलम आई टुक द 0, सेकेंड 1 एंड द थर्ड कॉलम 2. यहाँ पे मैंने मेरे मन से x के कोऑर्डिनेट्स लिए 0, 1, 2. So now when the x value for this equation x is 0, so that time what is the value for the y that we are going to solve? That is nothing but this last in the last video what the way I explain you, that method we are going to see. So here first I am going to write down this equation, and see first if you are going to take the first equation, solve all the values, all the coordinates of x and y for the equation 1 only, and then same methods we are going to do for the equation number second, and then for that both the equations we are going to draw the graph. So here first equation is what, 3x minus y is equals to 2. So here the x value is what, 0, means when the x for this equation, when x value is 0, so that time what is the value for the y? So here we know that now x is equals, instead of x we are going to write down 0. So 3 into x, so that is nothing but 3 into 0 minus y is equals to 2. So 3 into 0 is nothing but what, 0 minus y is equals to 2. So that is nothing but what is 0 goes on that side, it become minus, and 0 do not have any one particular sign. So minus y is equals to, we are getting 2. So that is nothing but y is nothing but what, plus 2. The y that y sign we shifted on this side, so this minus y become plus, and this plus 2 become the minus 2. It means what, when the x value is the 0, so that time y value is what, minus 2. So x and y coordinates are nothing but what, 0 comma minus 2. Now we are going to do for the second one. The second one, x value is what, 1. So x is equals to 1. Equation is same, so that if you wish you can write down, if you don't, directly do the calculation. So it is what, 3x. Now x is what, 1. So 3 into 1 minus y is equals to 2. So 3 into 1, 3 minus y is equals to 2. So minus y is equals to, this plus 3 goes on that side, it become the minus 3. So 2 minus 3. So minus y is equals to, now see here, 2 minus 1, that is nothing but 1, and the great plus here 2 is plus, 3 is minus 3. So plus minus minus and greater number sign. So greater number is what, 3. So here minus 1 answer is there. So minus y minus 1, minus minus sign get cancelled, and here we are getting the y is equals to 1. It means what, when the x value for this equation, when the x value is the 1, so y value is also 1. So here the coordinate x 1 comma 1. Now the second one. Now the next third one we are going to say, third one x value is what, 2. Equation is what, 3x minus y is equals to 3. So x is equals to what, 2. So 3 instead of x2 minus y is equals to 2. 3 2s are 6 minus y is equals to 2. So minus y is equals to this 2 keep as it is there. 6 we shifted on that side. So plus 6 become minus 6. So minus y is equals to 2 minus 6. See, that is nothing but 6 minus 2 is what? 4. And greater number sign. So greater 6. So minus 4. So that is nothing but y is equals to what we are getting? 4. So here we are going to write down y is equals to 4. So here the coordinates of x and the y are nothing but 2 and the 4. So here we draw the table for the equation 1, and these are the x and the y coordinates for the equation 1. So now same method we are going to find out the x coordinate and y coordinate for the equation second. So second equation, for that also we need to do the table. So table we are going to make the 4 column in the table and the 3 rows. X, Y, x comma y. Suppose again for this table again I am going to keep the x coordinates are 1, 0, 1 and 2. If you wish you can keep 1, 2, 3. If you want to take the 2, 3, 4 you can take according to your convenience. You can take any one values for this x coordinate. If you want to take for the coordinates for the y, you can take for the y also. So now the second equation is what? 2x minus y is equals to 3. This calculation having this question for it must be for either for the 3 marks and the 4 marks, and this calculation will carry 1.5 marks, and the graph will carry according to your answer and your coordinate, the way you draw for that having the particular marks. So here 2x minus y is equals to 3. So x value is what? 0. So x is equals to 0. So 2, again instead of x we are going to write down the x value 2 into 0 minus y is equals to 3. So 2 into 0 0 minus y is equals to 3. So that is minus y is equals to 3. So y is nothing but what? 3. Is nothing but minus 3. So here 0 comma minus 3. Now the second one. Now the x value equation is what? Again 2x minus y is equals to 3. Now the x value is what? X is equals to 1. So what we are getting? 2 into minus x. Instead of x we are going to write down minus 1 minus y is equals to 3. 2 ones are 2 minus y is equals to 3. So minus y is equals to 3. 2 minus 2 goes on that side. So it is the minus 2. So minus y is equals to 3 minus 2. It is what? 1. So y is equals to minus 1. See here minus y is there. Minus y is equals to we are getting 1. So this minus sign I shifted on this side. Here we interchange. So that is nothing but the 1 goes on that side. So it is minus 1 and y that is plus 1. So y is equals to minus 1. Now the next, x is equals to 2. So equation is what? 2 into x. So 2 into 2 minus y is equals to 3. So 2 2s are 4 minus y is equals to 3. So 4 minus y is equals to 3. So again I wrote that step only. It's okay, no issue. So this minus y I keep as it is. This plus 4 that side. So it becomes the minus 4. So 3 minus 4. So minus y is equals to 3 minus 4. Plus minus minus greater number sign. So 4 minus 3 is nothing but what? 1 and greater number 4. So it's 4 having the minus sign. So y is equals to what answer? 1. So it means what? When your y value is 2, so that time x value is 2, so that time your y value is what? 1. And when x value is 1, so that time y value is what? Minus 1. So here 1 comma minus 1 and here 2 comma 1. So here we get all the x and y coordinates of the both the linear equations. So now we are going to plot the graph. For the graph you need your graph book. Last year you made the graph book in the 9th standard. You can continue the graph in that book only. So now here on the graph paper you have to plot this point, find out the center of the graph paper, and then plot on the vertical line is nothing but the y-axis and horizontal line is nothing but the x-axis. At 1 centimeter distance, find out the draw the coordinates of the axis coordinate and draw the coordinate of the y. So now like this I plot the 1 2 3 1 2 3. We know that this is the positive side of the x-axis and this is the negative side of the y-axis. So here x dash, this is your positive x-axis, so x, here it is the y-axis, positive y, upstairs always the positive y-axis, so here the plus y and here the y dash. It means what the y, all the negative coordinate of the y-axis are here at a downstairs. So like this you have to plot the graph, and at the corner you have to need to draw the scale. So scale on the both the axis, it means on the x-axis and y-axis it is the same. That is, we take the 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. So here I wrote that 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. On the both the axis it is same, so that's why scale on both axis it is the same. It is nothing but 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. So now always keep in mind, whether both the x-axis and y-axis intersect each other, that is nothing but the 0 coordinates, means the origin of the both the axis it is 0 0. So this side positive x-axis, this side negative x-axis, upstairs positive y-axis and downstairs negative y-axis. So now how to plot the graph of the equation. See, first we are going to plot the coordinate of this first linear equation, that is the 3x minus y is equals to 2. So here the first coordinate of the x is this what, 0 minus 2. So 0 is of whose coordinate, x. So 0 of the x-axis, so 0 x-axis is here, and minus 2. Minus 2 second is what, minus 2. Minus 2 is of which one, y-axis. So y-axis is what, here. So 0 and 2. So it is coming on the negative y-axis. So here we are going to write down one single dot, and which coordinates are there, 0 comma minus 2. It is from the this one. Second one is what, 1 comma 1. So 1 first x-axis. So x 1 positive x and the y 1. So y1 is what, it is here, y-axis 1. So both where it is intersecting it is here. So in the center I am going to use the one single dot and I am going to make the circle, and then I am going to write down the coordinate. So x coordinate is what, 1, and y coordinate is what, comma 1. So here this is 1 comma 1. And now the next one is what, 2 comma 4. So 2 is of what, x. So x2 coordinate is what, it is here, and y is what, 4. So 2 and the y-axis 4 is here, so it is 4 here. So here I am going to write down 2 comma 4. So now this all are the coordinates of the first equation, that is 3x minus y. So always keep in mind whenever we do this calculations, so that time all the three, whatever the three coordinates of the axis we get, all are the collinear, that is they are in a one line. If they are not in a collinear, then one more value here you can find out. It is not necessary you can find out the 3 only. If you wish you can find out the 3 value also. If you want, here you can take